It's a client and server-based engine, meaning that these are operations that you could do either on a local machine or with information that's stored remotely somewhere else on the web. What we're looking at right now is a collection of some hundreds of mostly ordinary 8-megapixel digital photos. And as you can see, we're able to sort of navigate through all of these in a fairly smooth way. Not quite as smooth as I hoped. Anyway, that's what happens when you demo live code. Some of these objects that we're looking at are not ordinary digital images, but they're very large ones. Like this one, which is from the Library of Congress Maps collection. This is a 300 megapixel image, so it's very high resolution. You can see by zooming in on some small detail over here. The interesting thing to realize, and this is something that's been known in the graphics community for a long time, and is very well understood, so we haven't invented anything groundbreaking in the academic sense here. But this is really all about taking the idea of multi-resolution and generalizing it to all sorts of content and generalizing it to the web. When you are looking at a very high resolution image, but you're looking at it from far away, or low resolution like this, the amount of information that you need to get to your computer is very limited. And in the same sense, if we dive in somewhere and we're looking very close up, yes, this is very high resolution, but we only need this one part of it. We don't need the entire image. If we were to take the entire image at this resolution and try to download it to the computer, it would take a very long time, but we can't see all of it, so that would be very wasteful. The big idea here is just that instead of the conventional paradigm in which you have an application that opens a document, reads it all into memory, and then if it's too big to show on the screen at once, you have some scroll bars and other affordances that allow you to move to different parts of it. Instead, there's a dialogue happening continuously between the source of information and the viewer.